Welcome to MECSUS Wire EDM technology. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our cutting-edge CNC EDM wire cut machines, designed to revolutionize your manufacturing process. At MECSUS, we understand the demands of modern manufacturing. That's why we offer a comprehensive range of CNC EDM wire cut machines and EDM drill machines, tailored to meet the diverse needs of our clients. From entry-level models such as Economy DK Series to advanced systems such as EFHSI Series, our machines are built with precision engineering and state-of-the-art technology, ensuring unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. But it's not just about the machines, it's about the entire ecosystem. That's why we also provide a complete range of consumables, including wires, filters, JR3A gel and carbide, and many more to keep your operations running smoothly. Whether you're cutting through tough materials or working on intricate designs, our consumables are designed to deliver consistent performance, reducing downtime and maximizing productivity. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our satisfied customers have to say about MECSUS and our products. At MECSUS, we're not just selling machines but building partnerships. Our dedicated team is committed to providing exceptional service and support every step of the way. Whether you're a small workshop or a large-scale manufacturing facility, trust MECSUS to be your partner in success. Contact us today to learn more about our CNC EDM wire cut machines and consumables. Scan the QR code to connect with us and explore the world of MECSUS wire EDM technology.